Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this really simple Python game where you guess a number between 1 and 10. Then the script says higher, lower or correct. So let's get started. So first write import random, which will let your script choose random items from like a list, for example. Then on line 3 write number equals random.randit, rounded brackets 1, 10. So this will let it choose a random number between 1 and 10. Now on line 4 write guess equals 0 and on line 5 tries equals 0. So this is what your code should look like. On line 7 you want to write while guess exclamation mark equals number colon, then enter. Now it should be on an indent on line 8. Then write guess equals int, rounded brackets, input, rounded brackets, it's speech marks, guess a random number between 1 and 10. Then the full stop, and then press the right arrow 3 times, get to the really end of the line, and this is what your code should at least probably look like. Now on line 9, write tries plus equals 1, which will make it add 1 to tries, which at start will be 0, but this will make it 1. Then on line 10, write if guess less than number, colon. Now on line 11, it should have an indent, print, rounded brackets, then speech marks too low. Then enter. So it should be on line 12, and then and backspace, and then ʟɪᴜ, which is actually what you need to write. Guess, and then more than number, colon, enter. Now on line 13, write print, rounded brackets, speech marks too high. Now on line 14, you want to put backspace so you're not it. So you go back 1 indent. Now write else, colon, enter, print, rounded brackets, speech marks, but not yet. You need to write if, then speech marks. Then inside those speech marks, write correct. You guessed it in. So do these technical brackets and inside write tries, then after space tries. Now your game should be done, so run it. But if you accidentally spell something wrong, make sure to spell it right next time. Guess a random number between 1 and 10. 5. Too low. 1. Too low. 7. 8. 9. 10. Yeah. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, and of course, subscribe. So, I'll probably make another Python video in the future. So, bye!